The first $1,000 in line changes everything. And I'm not talking about the money, because $1,000 isn't a life-changing money. You can make that in a week or a month at almost any job. What I'm talking about is completely different. I'm talking about when the stranger on the internet pays you for something that you've built, or you did, or you sold them. Because that moment rewrites your brain in a way that no salary ever will. So let me tell you my first one. Years ago when I was a teenager, before I even had my own agency, I was building websites completely from scratch, alone. And I wasn't a startup founder yet, and I didn't have a job. I was just a guy who knew how to code, and I was actually trying to figure out if anyone would ever even pay me for this. And one day I sold a website, one of my first ones, and it was $1,000. And I still remember exactly how it felt, because it didn't feel like getting paid. It felt like something had clicked into a place that I couldn't unsee. Here's the thing, I make money from the salary as well, and I have for some time now. And salaries are great. They pay the bills and they give you stability. But there is something fundamentally different about making money that you earn because someone chose to pay you, versus the money that just showed up because it is the first of the month. Even now, after years of doing this, $1,000 from my own startup feels more magical than getting almost 10 times more from a salary. And I don't think I'm a weird one for feeling that way, because I think anyone who's done both knows exactly what I'm talking about. And the truth is, a salary is comfortable, but comfort has a cost. The cost is that you never really find out what you're capable of, because someone else decided what your time is worth. Someone else decided what you work on, and someone else decides if you get a raise. And you're inside of the system that takes care of you, but in exchange you never get the signal. And you never get the moment when the market itself looks at what you made and says, yes, this is worth something. That's what the first 1,000 online gives you. It is not the money, it is the signal. Before the first big sale, making money online feels like a myth, like something that other people do. People with big audiences, people with luck, people who aren't you. You read about it, you watch videos like this one, but in the back of your mind, you don't fully believe it applies to you, because making thousands of dollars from your own thing feels impossible. And then someone pays you, and the myth just breaks permanently. You cannot unknown that, because you realize that it's possible once it happened to you once, and the gap between a 0 and 1,000 online is bigger than the gap between $1,000 and $50,000 that you will make later, and I genuinely think so. Because once you make the first one, scaling is just a math problem, because then it's just doing the same thing more times, charging more, finding more clients. It is quite mechanical. And the hard part is the part that stops 95% of people, is getting to the first one. Because at 0, you have no proof, no feedback, no signals. You're just guessing into the void. And the silence is brutal. And that's where most people are giving up. So if you're stuck at 0 right now, here's what I will leave you with. 3 things that I wish I knew and someone had told me before I sold my first website. And number 1, you need to stop trying to build perfect stuff. Because the first 1,000 will never come from your dream product. It's gonna come from something embarrassingly small. Maybe it's a small website for a friend's friend, a template, a small gig, a startup that does one thing. And the size of the win doesn't matter. What matters is that someone paid. And perfect is the enemy of your first dollar. And second, what you need to do is charge before you feel ready. Because everyone underprices their first offer because they're thinking they're not good enough yet. And I did this too. Back in the day, I charged way less than I should have. For not the first one, but a couple of websites after that one. But here's the thing. The goal of the first sale isn't to make money online. It's just to prove that the loop is actually working. Think about it like VC. And you can charge more once you have the proof. And you can charge anything if you never even start. And number 3, don't quit your salary right after your first sale. And I see this mistake from time to time. People are either working non-stop, getting second, third job, or quitting their job the second they make any money online. Because someone makes their first money online, gets this euphoric feeling, and quits their job next week. And simply don't. Because your salary could be the runway that you can use to build something great. And you can keep the boring money flowing while you grow in the magical money on the side. And the day they cross over is the day where you have a real choice, not before. And I really believe this, and don't get me wrong, your first $1,000 in line isn't the milestone. Or at least not for the money. It is the identity milestone. Because before it, you're someone who wants to make money online outside of your job. And after this, you're someone who makes some money online. And those two people are not the same. The way they think about how they should get paid is different. And they no longer see the world the same. And the gap between them is just a couple of paying customers. So stop thinking about your startup. Stop thinking about the funding. Stop thinking about scaling. Just think about the next dollar from the stranger. Get one person to pay you at least $1 for anything. Then do it again, and the 1,000 will come much faster than you think. And when it does, the version of you on the other side of it is going to look back and not even recognize the person who was too scared to just start. So build the proof, break the steel, and the rest will take care of itself. And I would like to say thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because here I'm actually sharing my path of how I'm making money, or at least trying to do so. And if you're interested in tech and AI, check out my other videos, and I hope to see you in the next one.